So branches in Toddle allows multiple people to work on the same project without stepping on each other's toes. If you're coming from a tool like Figma Webflow, you're probably used to working with versions, where you'll go and make a set of changes, and when you're ready, you'll publish those changes to either the live website or the latest version of your design. Then you'll go and make some more changes and publish those and rinse and repeat. And if you're multiple people working on the same project, you'll all see each other's changes right there in the same version. And you'll have to line up your changes when you're ready to publish. Now, this can be a really nice way to work for small teams, but as you add more people, you'll end up having to often wait for someone to finish their work before you can publish the next version. That's why Toddle works a little bit different. In Toddle, we have branches, and the big difference between branches and versions is that you can have as many branches open at the same time, usually one or maybe even more for every developer on your project. And when you publish your branch, you're only publishing the changes you made in that branch. So you don't have to worry about accidentally overriding some work that someone else has done. So I'm working on a branch here called font, where I want to change the font of this text. So I'm going to go pick the text, then font and Laura in this case, like that classic look. But while I've been doing this, Casper has actually been playing around with the colors on the very same page. So what we can now see is that we're out of sync. There's been a change happening on the home page since we created this branch. And I can now click sync and pull all his changes into my branch. So let's go and have a look at what it looks like now. And we can see now that all the colors have changed, as well as the highlight color, but I'm still seeing my new font because our changes are not in conflict and his changes doesn't override mine, just like mine doesn't override his. So now when I go and publish, I can say new classy font. And I can publish only the changes I made, thereby making sure that all our work are kept intact. So by using branches, teams all over the world can work together on a single project without getting in each other's way. And you always have the confidence of knowing exactly what you're pushing when you go live.